Now, Jamaica's Javelin program got, a shot in the arm with a recent clinic hosted by GC Foster College and the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association J3As alongside a World Championship medalist.
2025 World Championship bronze medalist Curtis Thompson from the United States took a number of athletes and coaches through a series of training methodologies during the one-day clinic. Thompson shared technical insights and performance strategies in both theoretical and practical sessions. The activities were coordinated by coach at GC Foster College, Marlon Gale, and he believes a number of objectives were met.
The information that they would have received from Curtis was well received. They all got the opportunity for personal corrections and so forth. They all got group pointers, things that will help them once they follow that to be successful throwers. And I believe once they continue to work on their craft, they will ultimately go from strength to strength.
The 30-year-old Thompson, who also won gold at the 2023 Pan American Games, is hopeful that sharing his experience will be meaningful to the clinic's participants.
My hope is that at least somebody or one person, they gain something out of whatever it is that I'm talking or teaching or giving advice on. So whether that be figuring out how to eat right, what medical stuff we should do, or technical aspects of the throw, or just figuring out what javelin is, that's always a win.
He had some words of advice for the young athletes.
Just dare to be different. Javelin's not a common event or sport that everybody does. So venture out and try something new. You might learn or realize that you really enjoy this and you can really be really good at this. And then also continue to figure out how to have fun and enjoy it. Keep the joy in what we're doing.
National junior record holder Tariq Daly of Calabar High School was elated that some spotlight was given to the event.
Personally, I think it's very important, even though there are a lot of things that was mentioned that I would have already known, but it's always good to refresh the knowledge. But I think it's important on a larger scale overall, because in Jamaica, the javelin is not really a popular event. It's kind of looked over, and I'm glad that someone is willing to put effort into spreading knowledge about the event, especially since it's such a complex event.
The clinic featured athletes from across the island and was held on the grounds of GC Foster College. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.